Good morning, everyone. My name is Tessa Viitanen and I am founder of Techie Stories. So, when we talk about successful project, whether there are software projects or any other lean type of projects, or even the water flow model, which is quite traditional. However, the estimation is the most difficult part. So when the estimation fails in tendering phase or bidding phase, that means that the project will fail also if you don't renegotiate the actual estimation. That is doable as well. Yesterday in our academy, we were discussing about the estimation, like it is part of all of our academies, because it's really important that engineers, they know how to support sales, they know how to build their own cases, they know how much time they eventually will consume on different projects in order for the companies to be successful. So one of the key things are typically that there is planning poker, and people typically play planning poker and consider it as time estimate. However, it is not about the time estimation. It is about complexity, and that's completely different thing, because when you first consider how complex something is, then you can actually start planning the time around it with your team. So in planning poker, I usually take the Fibonacci sequence or modified Fibonacci. If the project is less technical, then I use t-shirts and sizes. And that's really cool way to see how the team is communicating, how they are coming up with the complexity plan. And complexity is funny thing. If you think about one weight, 1 kilogram of weight, and you think about 2 kilograms. So if you take the 1 kilograms to one hand and the 2 kilograms to another, you are actually you can easily tell that, okay, this is 1 kilos and this is 2 kilos. But when you go into heavier weights, like 20 kilos in one hand and 21 kilos in one, so your brain doesn't interpret that information anymore as accurate as 1 and 2 kilos. So this is the fact that estimation poker or planning poker, it should be about the complexity, not about the time. When you have agreed upon the complexity of the task and user stories or epics, depending on which level you are playing, you are actually able to put it also to the timeline, because you have reached the consensus together with the team. You know that you think similarly, but you also know that it's not it is not about the time at first, it is about the complexity. So have fun with playing poker, keep your poker face, don't let anyone to kind of cloud your judgments, because in poker, it's not about opinions or strong opinions. The strongest one doesn't win. Everyone has the saying in that poker table when you are playing planning poker. So have fun and have a good day. Bye.